Welcome to Entrepreneurship Vertical, Startup Formation and Scalability. Almost end of the course in the 5th unit. After startup formation, some product at the scalable level. We discussed many things in the 5th unit, particularly for growth development. That is under the title Managing the Growth, Marketing, Digital Marketing, Human Resource, then important title Quality Management. This title Managing Quality. Last HR, Human Resource Development, we discussed two things. One is one side customer, another we call employees. This is possible only by HR team. HR department covering 10 division we discussed. Now coming to quality. The quality, before entering into the quality, we need to understand being engineers, PPM. I will give you a suitable example. 10 years back, one company, Pentaday, their logo they mentioned 1000 PPM. Now PPM means here parts per million. 1000 parts is defective. It is 10 years back. After 2 years they reduced it to 500, then 100, then again 50, 10, 0 PPM. How it is possible from 0, that means from 1000 to 0 is possible by means of improving quality, reducing wastage. So most after scalable, we need to consider employment, stability, growth. Again, important one is quality. In this lecture, we will see quality policy, principle of quality, how to enhance the quality management system, what are the major tools involved in the quality management system. Everything we will discuss in this 5th unit under the heading Managing Quality. First we will see the definition of quality. Quality management is a process and a system put in place to ensure consistently high standard of product and service. We have product, sometimes service, we need standard. Quality management is the process and the system put into place to ensure consistently high standard of product and service. Here suitably discussing with the total productivity maintenance, TPM, and TQM, total quality management. Two important words. TPM, total productivity maintenance, TPM, total productivity maintenance, TQM, total quality management. Now coming to another important topic. Productivity maintenance start from scratch, that means a raw material, testing of raw material, then coming to manufacturing unit. After manufacturing, we are going for quality inspection, finally packing. Total productivity maintenance start from raw material ending with the packing. Now this is extending to customer feedback also. This is total productivity maintenance. Another one is a total quality management. We are receiving the quality of the product. After testing, we are going for manufacturing. With that manufacturing, we are testing the quality of the product. Finally, we are testing the packing. Almost everything is over. Coming to end, we are receiving the feedback from the customer. Taking the customer feedback into management. Based on that, we are reviewing, improving the quality. That's why we have a quality circle. In the quality circle, first initially in the shop floor, we have a circle. It's suitably discussing with the floor people, then we are engaging with the management. We have a different quality circle, first usually from shop floor, then we are taking into next level. The quality is in each and every term it is reflecting. It involves defining the standard, what we are going to produce, what is our standard. That's why already I mentioned specify specify what we are going to do in numerically, not qualitatively, it must be in quantitatively. Number one, specify. Number two, planning, controlling, assuring, and improving a quality to meet customer expectation. Understanding the customer expectation is very, very important. Based on the understanding of the customer, we need to adjust our standard, accordingly we plan, then controlling, then ensuring our what is our specified one. Then once again improvement. That's why Kaizen says continuous improvement in quality. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Improving continuously our quality. So quality involves defining standard, planning, controlling, assuring, and improving quality to meet customer expectation and achieve organization goal. One end we have organization goal. That goal is fixed based on the customer feedback. Customer feedback mixing with goal, organization goal, then we are taking for standard. Specify our standards, then going for planning, controlling, assuring, and improving quality to meet customer expectation and achieve organization goal. These are all possible by means of employee welfare. That's why we mentioned many times in the HR human resource management, how to make into next level of the company. By means of maintaining quality and improving quality, these are the important way to reach the development of management. Now, once again I redefine the process. Quality management is a process and a system put into place to ensure a consistently high standard of product and service. It involves defining quality standard, planning, controlling, assuring, and improving quality to meet customer expectation and achieve organization goal. Now we understand the definition of quality, that is depends on the company. The standard will vary. The standard mainly connected with the economy of the customer. Sometimes people expecting low cost material based on the customer taste, their capability, we need to adjust our standard. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activity and tasks that must be accomplished to maintain a desired level of excellence. We are doing one particular job regularly. We are doing something better. What way we can improve? Instead of this, we will make it suitably by means of improving some quality. Based on the quality improvement, we can attract our customer. Our product we can become branding. This includes determination of quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, and quality control and quality improvement. First, we are going for planning, then assuring, controlling the quality, then once again improvement in the quality. So quality policy, implementing quality planning and assurance, quality control, and finally we have quality improvement. So quality management is a of overseeing all activity and task must accomplish to maintain a desired level of excellence. We have a desired level of excellence. Regularly we are doing, based on the improvement of quality, we achieve something better. Because of that, customer gets satisfied. Environmental friendly, cost wise is reduced. Quality can improve by means of our employees. Employee will get benefit. So quality include not only product development, it include cost. That's why we call it quality for product, quality for cost, quality for reduction, quality for customer as well quality for employee. Sometimes we are introducing some machinery, because of that people get easily complete the job. Now quality is improved. So employer is getting benefit. Quality. So we are maintaining quality for employee also. Now we have types. We have total quality management, that is the customer is priority, giving more priority. Based on the customer priority, their need, we are adjusting also things. Then we have a Six Sigma concept, quality management system, quality function deployment. Quality function deployment based on the feedback of the customer. If there is a defect, we are adjusting the function. Based on the function, that is a manufacturing process, we are improvising the quality. Accordingly, we can go into next level. Development in each and every step, that is quality function deployment. The function we want to make into next level, then only the quality is improved. Initially in the cell phone we have keypad, now we have a touch screen, the quality is improved. In the cell phone we have everything. So every time we need to maintain the quality. So first one is specify, then it should be measurable. For the measurement we need some tools. Tools to maintain the quality, the tools which are we call commonly 7 QC's tool. We call quality control tool. Next slide we will see the name of the 7 quality tools. Then we will explain one by one. Now, important quality QC tool is cause and effect diagram. Sometimes we call fishbone diagram. We have a arrow. This is our goal. We need to achieve that goal. For that, we have some cause. Based on the cause, what is the effect? Again, next cause, again effect. So, cause and effect diagram is an important quality control tool. That is a quality control tool. So, what is the effect based on this cause? Based on the fishbone diagram, we understand what is the cause, what is the effect of the cause. Then we have a checklist that called check sheet. So what are the factors directly connecting with the improvement of that quality? Sometimes raw material, sometimes skilled labor, sometimes it is depends on the machinery, sometimes it is based on the quality check. Before that we need assembly. Sometimes the start from quality defects from the raw material itself. So we need to check all those things by means of check sheet. Quality control for particularly for raw material. Then machinery, we need to assure quality for every time. While joint venture company, they are coming and checking that OEM, original equipment manufacturer, every time they are checking the quality. Previously, the quality based on the chance we are getting, but now it is in our choice. That we call in metrology in-process technique, in-process and post-process. So in-process means after production each and every part we need to check. Then only go for assembly. That we call in-process technique. Another term we call the post-processes. Post-processes means after completion of all assembly we are going to check. Previously it was. Now because of the in-process technique, immediate correction. Now we have here one part, the company Going for in-process technique, immediately we are checking the quality, nearly we are rejecting or we are accepting. After acceptance, we will go to next step. Now, one component simply failed means easily correctable. If it is assembly, entire system will get problem. So, by means of control chart, we can control the quality. Important tool is a control chart. The control chart we have upper limit and lower limit. Within upper and lower limit, we have need to maintain the particularly dimension. When we will go for cause and effect diagram, first, what is the effect? Initially, we have some factor influencing the quality. Based on that, we will see the effect. At time, we will go for cause and effect diagram. Then we have a check sheet. Before entering, we need to fulfill all the document. That's why we have a check sheet. Third one is a control chart, upper limit and lower limit. Within that limit, we can acceptable. Always we will go with some tolerance. If 30 millimeter dia we want to produce plus or minus 0.25 millimeter. Above and below we can acceptable because machine is capable of doing that only. So quality means the exact value we want to maintain, but at the same time we need to give some allowance also. So then only it will improve. Then histogram, Pareto diagram, scatter diagram, then flow chart. The flow chart, these and all, easily measurable of quality. Quality in terms of, it is in terms of particularly quantitatively it should be measurable. First specify, then measurable. The measurement, for that measurement we need some tools. These are all very important tool. Cause and effect, check sheet, control chart, histogram, Pareto diagram, scatter diagram, then flow chart. Flow chart gives what is the next step. For flow chart we have few questions. WH question, why and how. How it is happening, that is one way of answer. Why it is happening, another way of answer. If we are raising the question, immediately we can conclude with a suitable answer. So main tools in the quality, cause and effect, we call fishbone diagram, control charts, then check sheet, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram. Scatter diagram gives a complete picture for people those who are working in the shop floor. Then flow chart. These are all possible to complete discussion in the quality circle. We have a quality circle, a manager suitably sit together with the floor people, floor manager as well as operator. They will discuss how to improve the quality. They will recognize a man of the quality in each month. They are awarding some time. These are all very important. Now we have histogram, scatter chart, control chart, trend chart, Pareto diagram, cause and effect, affinity diagram. These are the important tools, and we need to understand the technique. What I expressed now, we have a control chart, mean upper control, lower control. Based on that, we need mean level. We need to achieve mean level. So these are all tools which are helping to improve the quality. Now, discussion in the heading quality management principle. First one is a customer focus. In the startup journey, after technology readiness level 5 or 6, the failure during the scalability is market fit. Many times we discussed this, market fit is important, customer focus. In the customer focus, in the startup journey, the customer focus is very important. Who are your customer? That's why always we are asking, who are your paying customer? Understand the paying customer, focus the customer need. The quality is very important, understanding the customer. Sometimes the customer expecting quality in terms of cost. That's why we are giving suitable specification whether the quality requirement, quality improvement need in cost reduction. The affordability of people is lower. They are not able to afford the thing when you are keeping the price higher. That time we need to reduce the price. How to reduce the price? They are thinking what are the raw material we can change. Based on the raw material procurement where we can get, considering the customer focus, we need to fulfill the customer focus by means of changing the material but maintaining suitable quality what they are expecting. Their expectation is affordable, low cost. Then leadership is the important quality principle. Doing things good, we need to run, that's why we need leadership. We discussed many times about the HR people. With that HR people, we need to organize, engage the people. The engagement of the people plays major role. We have top level management, we have engineers seniors, then coming to the top manager in the shop floor, then manpower, then quality inspection team, finally we have a safety and security team, everything we need. So engage the people is separate art, based on that only we can maintain the quality. That's why the quality improvement maximum which is achievable when it is possible means by means of concurrent engineering. The concurrent engineering we are very important, together we are sitting like quality circle. Quality circle, a people from the same shop floor, they are discussing for quality. They are discussing about one simple problem, how to get suitably to finish that problem. That's why they are engaging. Here, concurrent engineering, different department, sometime from purchase department, marketing, human resource, manufacturing, quality control, everybody sitting together discussing about the product quality development, how to reduce the cost. Again, what are the factors directly connecting? Based on QC tools, how can we achieve? Everything they are discussing. That is called concurrent engineering. After discussion, they have some policy for improvement that is called quality policy. We are going to discuss about various quality management technique also. Now we are discussed about the tools, now principle. So engaging people is different art. Then process and approach. We have a manufacturing many things, for that which process is important. Based on that, we can improvising the product. Customer feedback, employee feedback, take equally, then improvise the quality. Then only it is achievable, possible. Then decision making by management. We need to give suitable real-time information to the management. Accordingly, they will go for next level. So real-time management makes sense for the quality development. So relation with the management, HR department connecting people from our bottommost employee to management top level. So connecting of HR department suitably improving the quality. So everyone is sitting together. That's why we are maintaining two different words. One is called repeatability, another one is the repeatable and reproducible. Repeatable means in the same time we are giving suitably quality good. Reproducible and different conditions. Same condition we are giving means repeatable. Reproducible means under different condition we are producing the same thing. That is called reproducible. So principal customer focus is an important one. Leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, then decision making, finally maintaining relationship with the management. These are the different principles. We have 9 principles. With that, we can achieve the maintaining the quality. Achievement of quality is one sense. Again, maintaining is very, very important part. Based on that, we can engage the people in happiest manner. One end customer, another one is employee. Both are joining together. Feedback getting from the customer and improvising the quality by means of two approach. One is customer feedback. Based on that, we are getting and improvising the quality. Now we will discuss about the quality management technique. We have seven QC tools, quality control tools we discussed. Now we have a six different technique. First one is total quality. Total quality means quality not only one part of the component of the product, we need entire quality. Requirement, procuring a quality raw material, complete package, everything we need to maintain the quality. We have a Kaizen approach. Kaizen approach means continuous improvement. This year we are going to concentrate on quality of this part. We are taking environment friendly. How to consider these all those things. Now most of the company they are following SDG goals, sustainable goals, 17 SDG goals. Higher in the SDG they are giving more important for green energy. So the industry in the quality policy, they are taking green energy, utilizing completely green, less carbon content. These are the continuous improvement in the quality. Now we are producing one product by means of green energy means that is the environment quality. We are achieving quality for friendly environment. That also very, very important. The most customer relevant word cost of the quality. We are spending the quality for this money by means of new technological development, cooperation of our employee. We are maintaining the same quality with a lesser price. Customer always giving more importance to the people, particularly in the cost. Cost of the quality is very, very important. We need to maintain the cost which is more reliable. Customer satisfaction is very, very important. We have a standard, ISO standard. Now they are introducing a new ISO standard, friendly environment, human centric. Initially we have industry 1.0, 2.0. Now we have a latest 4.0, Internet of Things based manufacturing. Then 5.0 we are considering human centric. These are the things we need to adapt based on the standard, that to international standards, the quality we can maintain. That means the company is certified by ISO. We are specifying something, that specification is a measurable one, we want to specify, then we need to achieve all those things. Specify, measurable, achieve. Environmental friendly ISO we have a proper documentation. Based on the documentation, the continuous improvement we see by means of ISO. If we have a problem from the customer, we have two approach. One is top to bottom approach or bottom up approach. Top down approach. From the top of the management, they understand the quality, accordingly they are giving instruction to the people, those who are working raw material procurement to manufacturing. Finally we have a testing of materials, packing of material. The top managers maintaining quality, they are giving instruction to the bottom. This is one approach. Another one important approach, from they are taking from the bottom side, from the customer giving instruction. On floor manager, they are giving instruction to improve the quality. That's why quality circle, each and every floor they are giving certification or any other honor for people, those who are working for quality in the shop floor. The shop floor people giving important suggestion for quality improvement. So what are the techniques we can adopt using total quality management, continuous improvement by Kaizen. Very important thing is cost of the quality. Then ISO, standard of organization giving, which is the standard. Environmental friendly means we are going by ISO. The quality can be implemented from the top-down approach. Sometimes we are taking from bottom-up approach. Bottom-most we can find this is the difficulty faced by the customer. We can improve the quality by means of emphasizing this. That is a bottom-up approach. Another one is a top-up approach. So this slide shows entire different technique of quality management. Total quality, Six Sigma, top down and bottom top. Sometimes ISO, cost of the quality case. And if you are accommodating all 6 quality management technique, then entire system will be controlled with that quality. Now management tools for improving quality. Kaizen is important tool that we call continuous improvement. At present, we are maintaining the suitable, superior quality raw material. With that raw material, we are going for some time another development by means of improving the quality of the raw material. Maybe we are going for some type of coating. Everything starts from customer satisfaction, understanding the customer, feedback customer. Based on the customer, we are getting the feedback. The customer feedback plays major role. We are understanding the customer by concurrent engineering. We are taking all the customer feedback to the different department. Purchase department, manufacturing, quality check, inspection, including safety, security, packing and all. Then mathematical calculation, we have a Six Sigma system for improvement of the product, reducing the defect. That's why we call, which is connected with the elimination of defect. We already discussed about the PPM, parts per millennium. The parts we are eliminating, the quality can be improved by reducing the defective parts. Defective parts elimination is very important. How to eliminate the different elimination? This is possible by stabilizing the manufacturing ability. Introducing computing fully automated. Previously skilled labor only able to do this work. Now unskilled labor with suitable automation, particularly completely automated, connected with the computer, unskilled operator can get. That's why we are getting by our choice. This is the way. Previously, by means of skilled labor, chance only we are getting product. A suitable example, Hyundai per day producing 356 Hyundai Sandro car. How it is possible? That is a purely quality checking. By means of improvising in-process technique. That's why elimination of defect is possible. Elimination is possible. Defection is possible. Then we are taking it to next level by means of particularly eliminating defects and improving the quality. We have a very important technique. We can achieve the quality reducing the defect by reduction of different variation. For that we need to maintain a standards. We are classifying in different group that we call group technology. Group technology can be defined with 2 different attributes. One is a geometric attributes, another one is a manufacturing attributes. We want to group the product by means of geometrically similar. Another one, manufacturing. Initially we are getting turning, then facing, then chamfering, then drilling. These are the common for 56 product we are grouping together. Final step may be vary. Before final stage we need to group all those things. On that we are controlling with a suitable standard. So similar repeated thing the operator is doing means that planning and execution is very easy. So one operator doing different process, instead of that one operation is doing same operator again and again. That means the quality is improved. This is the way. So we need to reduce the variation. Accordingly we fix the grouping. Grouping possible by means of attributes what I expressed now. One is by means of geometric attributes. Similar dimension. Diameter is varying, but diameter important factor. Length is important factor. length and diameter cylindrical component, one side we are grouping. Another one side is a manufacturing of attributes. Similar manufacturing steps involved means we are taking together. This is by variation reduction. Then improved quality. Quality improvement is possible by means of adding many things. From raw material procurement, then immediately going for some other immediate change in the process variation, quality is improved. These and all possible by means of technology. That's why technology-based incubator always improving lot. Engineers, we are going for strategic planning. Based on the strategic planning, we are introducing many suitable things. So improving quality is possible. Then efficiency improvement. Efficiency improvement directly connected with the cost of the product. So improving efficiency, already we are reducing the variation, means the same energy we are putting, that means efficiency is improved. Suitable example, if you are doing on such a thing repeatedly, doing repeated means efficiency of return is improved. Based on that, quality also again improved. They are completely automated, semi-skilled or unskilled labor are utilized for that job. So producing by means of our choice is possible. Previously, by chance of skilled labor only we are getting. So improvement in efficiency, material utilization, improvement in the efficiency of the workmanship as well as energy. That's why in the total quality management includes the audit. We call energy audit. What are the types of energy we are using, whether conventional or unconventional energy source? If it is a uniformly equally friendly with the nature environment means more acceptable. That's why in the ISO environmental standard we need to maintain. So total quality management includes continuous improvement occasion, then customer satisfaction, this is a premier thing. Based on the customer satisfaction, the calculation, defect elimination with suitably calculating with the Six Sigma. Then variation is reduced. We are reducing the variation by means of grouping technology, improving quality, that is a continuous improvement already, quality is improved. This is not at all possible for single person, single time. Consistently, continuously we need to improve. So one important thing is missed out in this lecture, one is a 5S. Being the startup journey, we discussed many things. We discussed about QC tools, 7 QC tools, then principle of quality, finally total quality management tools. 5S is very, very important. Japanese are maintaining good quality. Japanese concept. So quality always very, very important. It is each and every DNA will speak about the quality. That is a common rule by Japanese. The people entering into the shop room, they want to maintain quality. The quality always in Indian concept, they are connecting with the product only. But Japanese concept not like that. They are connecting with the shop floor, people health, everything they are understanding the quality. The quality will reflect based on the environment, start from each and every process. That's why the topmost company maintain total quality management. So cost with the quality is important. Initially, there is a cost is higher for quality product. After some time, we keep on understanding many things, we are improvising many things by means of quality, reducing cost also possible. So the conclusion of this lecture, quality is not only maintained by the management, it will take in the mission statement to the bottommost people. That means top down, bottom down, bottom up approach. These are the things very, very commonly using almost from the standard micro industry also. So quality term we need to maintain always in each and every level, from starting from the raw material procurement to ending with the suitable package to the customer. With this, with the startup journey, we crossed many things. The first unit, we understand what are the different idea generation, business model canvas, then how to reach the customer, what are the important role for customer satisfaction, especially funding. After funding, we are introducing many concepts for scalability. Finally, in the fifth unit, growth management, growth in quality, HR management, then we have your marketing, various type of marketing, including digital marketing, we discussed. So in this lecture series, we started with the idea, ending with the enterprises. After ending with the enterprises, we are introducing many new things for sustainability and growth development of the startups. So students are able to understand new product development. I feel very happy to see your new product get suitable quality. It will satisfy the customer need as well. It will give, company will give suitable employment for many people. With the support of state government, Tamil Nadu Startup TN and the central government support, many schemes are introduced by central DST schemes. We will get suitable grant as well as subsidy from the state and the central government. In the startup journey will come together and suitably joining with the incubation center. The improvement in the next level is possible by means of quality development. So each and every startup quality development is connected with the incubation center development. If you are producing quality component, your startup company will grow. Startup company is growing means incubation center is growing. We have a 10 startup in our incubator. Suitably they are giving good quality product to the customer means our incubation center is flourishing into next level. With this, I conclude this lecture. Growth in quality. Thank you again. In the startup journey is continuously improving the quality that is important for our nation development. Thank you again.